Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can have your own Fiverr business and make $100 or more per day. Potential is to be way more than $100 per day, but starting off at $100 a day, and you have your own gig, and you can either do the work yourself or have it done by someone else for you. It's your choice. So if this sounds like a good method to you, and it's an interesting method with Fiverr, then you want to stick around and watch this video. We're going to get started on it here right now. Alrighty. Well, first of all, let's get this to-dos out of the way here. For those of you that are new to my videos or my channel here, you see my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel, you see. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, well, go ahead and reach down there below your video right now and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel for you guys. Alrighty, well, let's go ahead and get this started here and get on to this now. Of course, what you want to do is you want to come over to Fiverr here. What we're going to do is going to be creating a gig in a high demand service on Fiverr, and I'm going to show you other ways that you can also double and triple your money with this particular method as well. So stick around, keep watching. Now, get to Fiverr here. If you don't have an account, guys, it's free to create one. All of this is 100% free and can be done from anywhere in the world. All right. So all you do is come up here and click on join right here. As you see we're at Fiverr.com right here in the address bar, right? And incidentally, why would we be using Fiverr here? Well, let's just show you. We bring out our similar web right here, guys. You see we're on Fiverr, and if I scroll up, you can see right here that the monthly visits on Fiverr, guys, are 60.6 million visits a month. Really high traffic here on Fiverr. All right, so it's free to sign up. Just click on join right here, guys, and you can sign up with your Facebook, Google, your Apple ID, or create a local account. And if you use the local account here with an email, they will be sending you an email confirmation. So get your account validated, verified, come back, get signed in, or you can click on become a seller. Now, I'm not going to sign in because I don't need to show you. I do have an account here, but just to show you what we're going to be doing today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here in the search box right here. I'm going to type in whiteboard, and if I can spell it right here, we'll be in good shape. Whiteboard, there it is right there. Whiteboard Animations. You can see it brings up Whiteboard Animations here, guys, and there are lots of people here that are making money with this high in-demand service, although you'd think there'd be more than 4,000 because this is such a high demand service. So what you're going to be doing today is you're going to create a gig in Whiteboard Animations. This thing is very high demand. People like these whiteboard little animation video clips that they can use to sell their products with, and with advertising and all kinds of marketing in their business. Okay, and this is high demand. As you see, people are making lots of money here. This person's got 431 orders. Now, these are just what we know, right? It could be way more than what we're seeing here. This one here's got 895 with a 5-star rating. 1,000 with a 5-star rating here, charging 350, 160, 80, 55, and you can see that some of these people are charging anywhere from about 30 bucks up to about 135. And I saw one here earlier. I think it was even $4,000, guys, to do these animations. So, well, right here it is. You can see it right here above my head, right there. Right there. Look, this person's charging $4,000 to do whiteboard animation video. That's pretty steep. So what I recommend you do, that you come here and you click on become a seller, and it will walk you through about 6 pages of setting up a gig. And you want to just pick one of these other gigs, and I recommend that you set your price at a good average between all of these, which it looks to me to be about around $100, right? So you're going to make $100 per order, and per day, I would think, as time goes on, you'll build this up, and pretty soon you'll be making way past that per day. So for example, if we just picked one of these right here, you want to model your gig after someone else. So you want to study somebody else's gig. You don't want to copy it exactly. You just want to model after it. So you see that he has the basic for 150 here, standard package of 190, and then he has a premium package of $250 here. So you can set yours up sort of the same fashion, sort of the same way here, and you can get you some whiteboard animation video clips. You can probably find them on Google, or I'm going to show you something here in a little bit on how you can do this too. So you want to see how other people are using and setting up their gigs, and you just want to model yours after one of these other sellers, right? And then you can show your packages here and the differences between them, and then scroll on down. But one thing that's most important about this is when you set up your gig, you want to come down to the bottom and get some related tags like you see right here, because this is what's going to help your gig rank up not only on Fiverr but also in Google or the Google search engine, right? So you want to get these tags, get similar tags on your gig that you create with this. Now, I can see some of you here right now saying, well, Kevin, I don't know how to do these whiteboard animations. I don't even know where to start. Well, I'm going to show you. It's easy enough. You're just going to download Photoshop. You're going to learn Photoshop, and it may take you 6, 8, 10 months to learn Photoshop, and then you can create your whiteboard animations in Photoshop. Well, I'm just messing with you guys. You know, I would not stick that on you to do that, because I myself am not interested in Photoshop either, but I got something that's just as good and probably a whole lot easier that you can use. So once you get your gig fixed up the way you like it, and you want to you get an order or something, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to this site right here. It's called Powtoon. You see it right up here in the address bar, guys. Look right here, Powtoon.com. This is the site you want to come to. And what this site is a site where you can create whiteboard animations. And you can see that there are some pretty big companies that use this. As you can see here, Powtoon is used by 96% of Fortune 500 companies like Microsoft, Google, Cisco, IBM, Verizon Wireless, and to name a few. And even you can learn more about those. Why Visual Communications and Powtoon, tell you a little bit about it here. And then they got some testimonies and stuff like that. But it's free to sign up on this site. They do have a paid version. Look, I'm going to click right here. You see where my mouse is on pricing right here, guys. And you can see that it comes over here, and they have a Pro version here for $19, another Pro Plus for $59, and then an agency at $99 right here. But if we scroll down here, guys, you can see right here that they do have a free version right here that you can use. Now, I'm going to tell you another thing. When you sign up on this site, you'll get a gift. They call it a gift, but it's a gift of 4 days of their Pro Plus right here. They're all their features of the Pro Plus that you see here. That is enough that you can use. If you get a sale here within those 4 days, you can come over and use all the Pro Plus stuff right here, and with that $100 that you get off your sale, you can use it to sign up for either the Pro version here or this one right here, and sign up, and then you continue on and build your business in whiteboard animations just like that, guys. All right, so now, for example, if we come back and if I click here, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. I've already logged in here or already signed up. As you can see, it'll log into it. You can use your local account right here, Google, Facebook, Office 365, or as you can see here, this other Clever and even LinkedIn, your accounts like that. So I'm just going to sign in. I mean, you can click sign up there and get the same result. I'm going to sign in with my Google account here. All right. And then it's going to load up here. And then now you can see right here on the left, they have lots of templates here. You can click on these templates right here, and you can see all kinds of really cool templates right here for whiteboard, doing different whiteboard animations and stuff like that. So let's just click on this one, for example, here, and then we're going to edit it. It should load it up into the editor. Yeah, and it gives you a little video. It's complete with music even, guys, and you can see how it works, this template. And then I'm going to click right here where we see it says edit this template right here. So if we click on that, and that's going to load it up into the editor here, guys, and you're going to see just how easy it is to build these whiteboard animations or edit them, or you can create one straight from scratch if you want, but you can use these templates right here. All right, and you can see here that it loads it up. I mean, it'll play right here if you want to. You can play it, and so on and so forth, right here as well. So anyways, now the nice thing about it is everything in here, guys, is editable. If you look, I can move this. I should be able to move this around right here if you'll allow me. Yeah, there we go. We can move her around, put her over here. We can, you know, some of this other stuff is editable and stuff. Some of it isn't here. But you can see how easy it is to move things around. I mean, and over here on the right side, if you look over here behind me, let me move myself up out of the way here just briefly. And you can see right over here they've got specials. You can add sound to your whiteboard, whatever sounds that you want. You can even put in a video if you want right here, guys. Shapes, and props, characters, text, and background. So as you can see, there's all kinds of tools here that you can use. And then even over here on the left, you see this is the whole scene of all of this particular template that we're using right here. Alrighty? Now, if you wanted to create a different template, you just clicked up over here on the left where you saw I clicked on the little hamburger symbol right up here, guys, in the corner. Click on that and it brings this out, and you can choose a different template. You can import your own, or you can start from blank. Start from scratch, it says right there, guys. So that is how easy it is to work with these templates. And then once you get it done and you get it like you want it, what you want to do is you want to come up here to where it says export. You see it right up here to the right. Click on that, and then you can download it as an MP4 or video clip. Download it as a video. You can even download it as an animated GIF, and so on and so forth, or you can download it as just an image even as well. But you would want to download it as a video clip, right? And then once you get done and you download that, you want to bring that back over to Fiverr and give that back to your customer, and then you get paid. It's just that easy. Now, let's say, for example, actually, I recommend you do this on, there's a couple other sites. You should do this also on Upwork. You can come over here to Upwork, and you see I've typed in Whiteboard Animations here, and you can create a gig here on Upwork.com, and then you have two ways. You've now doubled your chances of making even more money, and you can also do it here on people per hour, and now you've tripled your way. You just come over here, click on freelancer here, and sign up here. All these are free to sign up on, and you've got 3 ways now to triple your money in that same type of gig. Set up your gigs on here. Now, let's just say, for example, that you did not want to do this yourself. You didn't want to use Powtoon, even though it's a great and easy site to use. You didn't want to use it because you really are not interested in that, and you still would like to be able to make money with this particular method. Well, when you've created your gig on Fiverr, for example, and you get an order, what you can do is come back over here to Upwork, and you can hire someone here to do it for you. For like here's somebody that'll do it for $40 an hour. Here's a person who'll do it for 60, 90, 40 here. I mean, you can see the prices are pretty high because this is a in-demand service. Here's one for 35, and you can just hire somebody to do it for cheaper than what you're charging on Fiverr, which would be your $100, and then you just pay them the difference once they get it done. So let's say, for example, if you hired this lady right here, Victoria, and you paid her $40 if she was able to get it done in 1 hour. Of course, that's $40 per hour, it says there. But you should be able to negotiate something with her. Nonetheless, let's just say, for example, $40, and she got it done in an hour and charged you $40. You'd bring that back over here to Fiverr, give it back to your customer, and you get paid $100, and actually you've made $60 at that point. And you didn't even have to do any of the work at all. So how great is that, right? Well, guys, that's the method that I had for you today. You can use Powtoon here and create yourself a gig on Fiverr where you can make a lot of money doing whiteboard Animations. And guys, if you like that video method, reach down there and give me a thumbs up down there. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell. And also, if you got any comments, just leave them down there below the video there in the comments section. I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. If you want to learn how to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer, you want to watch my free video presentation that I can give. It's down there in the top of my description. Click where it says mentorwithkev.com. and come over and see how you can learn and see the formula to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer starting even today as well. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, if you like this video, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making methods and videos. See you guys later. Bye-bye now.